Did you know Albert Einstein, one of the greatest minds in history, struggled as a child with learning? His parents even feared he had learning difficulties. But what came next shocked the world. Get ready for some mind-blowing facts about the genius who changed science forever. Born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, Einstein's curiosity for science sparked at just 4 years old. His father gave him a simple magnetic compass, and young Albert was fascinated. He couldn't figure out why the needle moved as if by magic. This moment sparked his lifelong passion for physics. He later said, "Something deeply hidden had to be behind things." Fast forward to 1933. Einstein had become a professor at the Berlin Academy of Sciences, but things took a dark turn when Hitler rose to power. Being Jewish, Einstein wisely decided not to return to Germany during a visit to America. The Nazis were so enraged by his intellect that they burned his books and put a bounty on his head. They even listed him as an enemy of the state. Einstein's response? He simply called their actions a spontaneous emotional outburst. Einstein sought refuge in the US, where he spent the rest of his life. Although many thought he was an atheist, he identified more as agnostic. He believed the universe itself was divine, but didn't believe in a personal God that resembled humans. You probably recognize Einstein's wild hair and baggy clothes, but did you know he never wore socks? He thought they were pointless because they'd always get holes. Even when he visited the White House, Einstein kept his unkempt style, leaving everyone in awe of his brilliance and unique personality. Einstein loved his pipe, believing it helped him stay calm and make objective decisions. Ironically, for such a genius, his memory wasn't great. He couldn't even remember phone numbers, including his own. Here's a surprising fact. In 1952, after Israel's first president passed away, Einstein was offered the role of president of Israel. He declined, saying he lacked the natural aptitude to deal with people. Adultery and marriage. Einstein wasn't perfect. His personal life was messy, especially his first marriage to Mileva Maric, during which he had several affairs. He even asked her to sign a contract agreeing to a loveless marriage just to keep things stable for their kids. After their divorce, Einstein married his cousin, Elsa Lowenthal. Einstein's 1921 Nobel Prize wasn't for his famous theory of relativity. It was awarded for his work on the photoelectric effect, which helped lay the groundwork for modern physics. But all his prize money went to his ex-wife, Mileva, as part of their divorce settlement. After Einstein passed away in 1955, a pathologist removed his brain without permission for study. Turns out, Einstein's brain wasn't much different from anyone else's, except for one key detail. His parietal lobes responsible for mathematical thinking were 15% larger than the average person's. Finally, let's talk about Einstein's greatest achievement, the theory of relativity. His famous equation, E equals mc squared, changed everything we knew about space, time, and energy. This groundbreaking discovery even paved the way for the creation of the atomic bomb. Though Einstein later became a pacifist, the impact of his work on modern physics is undeniable. From escaping the Nazis to revolutionizing science, Albert Einstein's life was nothing short of extraordinary. His theories continue to shape our world today, from GPS systems to nuclear power plants. And if you want more fascinating stories like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Facts Fed.